Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Hello guys, my name is Faris Aulia Ramadan with name 2024-32065. Here I will explain about report for basic programming. Loops or perulangan. A basic concept of looping in C++. Looping in C++ is a programming concept used to execute a block of code repeatedly without having to write the same code multiple times. With looping, programs become more efficient, shorter, and easier to understand because the same logic can be executed many times using only one loop structure. B. Analysis of loop condition mechanism from each loop type. For loop, the program first initializes the variable starting value, then check the condition. If the condition is true, the code block runs. Afterward, the variable value is updated and the condition is checked again until it becomes false. While loop, the while loop operates by checking the condition at the beginning pretest. If the condition is true, the commands inside the loop are executed. If the condition is far from the start, the loop will not run at all. Do while loop. The while loop is similar to while, but the condition check is done at the end post-test. This means the commands inside do will be executed at least once before the condition is checked. See analysis of initialization condition termination. Initialization description. The process of assigning an initial value to the loop variable. Impact on execution flow determines the starting point. If incorrect, initial variable already extends the condition. The loop might not run at all. Condition the description the requirements that determines whether the loop is allowed to continue running or must stop. Impact on execution flow determine the number of iterations the main gate as long as the gate is true. Code execute within the loop repeats. On phase execution immediately move outside the loop. Termination description the process of stopping the loop when the condition is no longer met, usually via increment or decrement. Impact on execution flow determine when to stop. If termination is absent or incorrect, in results in an infinite loop. D. Types of loops and statements. For loop, the most structured loop ideal when the number of iterations is known exactly. It places the three main components, initialization, condition, and increment or decrement on a single line. Nascent for loop inside another for loop, acting like a two-coordinate system, x and y. It is primarily used to process two-dimensional data like matrices or printing start patterns. Infinite loop. A loop whose stop condition is never reset or is intentionally absent. It is dangerous as it consumes CPU resource and can use a program to crash or hack. Go to statement acts like a teleport button, moving program execute to another labeled part of the code. While loop, a condition-based loop, ideal when the number of iteration is uncertain. It depends on a condition that changes inside the loop. The while loop, a variation of while where the condition is checked at the end post-test loop. Break statement acts as a send stop button, causing immediate exit from the queued loop for while the regardless of the loop condition. At last, continue statement adds as a skip or next button. When execute, it skips the remaining instruction for the queued iteration and immediately process to the next loop iteration. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.